Asawa, hindi mo siya pagka-vice presidente and governing ikaw mayar posisyon. Nagi atong ilang gipresenta via agent, kaunay na-hire nga hitman ang ginirong Viviara na maoy gikontrata na magulat yun. Lagi, parapat yun.
Blair. Blair. Nasa Isler? Unsa man ako pagumangkol? Unsa man maglaan? Video sa kesyo mo. How are you playing? Gambar, bihag kang angkol. Pag angkol, hop. Pag angkol, dako naman ako pag umangkol. Pag tubo, no? Dako na sa Isler. Dako na sa Isler, no? Mama ni mo dong. Uy. Ay mama ni mo. Work? In the school? Where? Where's your mom?
School.
In the school? Okay. Just go out ha. Ding 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 ding. La 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 do 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 do. Vision pun sama.
In the minutes of the meeting of Tenzi Reyes' interview, he said, and I quote, may press con kasi earlier than that, sabi niya, parang hindi lang niya gusto daw, sabi lang niya, gusto daw siyang patayin daw, according to her, ni Speaker. That was during a press conference the day before, November 2022. End of quote. During the virtual press con, Princess Maui mentioned Operation Romanov again, and even warned her about her safety. Reyes talked about it, Princess Maui reiterated it.
Ano ba mo ma? Saan mo gibuhat ma? I-video ko ma. Ano sa ma? Uy, i-video ko sa may kistorya mo. Oo. Basta mo ka ma.
Nagsulat ko.
Puti ang buhat mo ma.
Ay, gulang naman.
Surveillance operations by government operatives that expose her family to high level risk and security